How to perform a system restore in Windows 10. When your PC stops or freezes after installing software or an update, System Restore is your safety net. In this video, we'll explain how to use it to get your system back on track. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. First, what is System Restore? This is a recovery feature in Windows that acts like an undo button. It takes a snapshot of your system before major changes occur, called a restore point, allowing you to revert to a previous state without affecting your personal files. Before using System Restore, check if it's enabled on your PC. Start by launching the control panel. Go to Advanced System Settings and then click System Properties. Under the System Protection tab, select your primary drive. If protection is off, click Configure and then turn on System Protection. Finally, click Apply and then OK. Now let's go over how to perform a system restore using different methods. If Windows is working, follow these steps. Open Control Panel, Recovery, and then open System Restore. Click Yes if prompted by user account control. Choose a restore point and then click Scan for affected programs. Review the details before clicking Next and then Finish. Confirm your actions by selecting Yes and your PC will begin the restoration. If your PC can't boot, System Restore is still accessible via Advanced Startup. Click Advanced Options, Troubleshoot, and then System Restore. Sign into your account and follow the same restore point selection steps. Finally, click Finish to begin the restore. For unstable systems, boot into safe mode with these steps. Hold the Shift key and click Restart from the power menu. Choose Startup Settings, Restart, and then Enable Safe Mode. In this case, press 4 or F4. Once signed in, search for Recovery, open System Restore, and follow the same steps. Best practices when using System Restore. Finally, you can maximize System Restore's benefits with these best practices. Regularly create restore points before making major system changes. Enable System Restore on the correct drives, and allocate enough disk space for restore points. To conclude, with System Restore, you don't need to fear system changes. Just remember to keep it enabled and create restore points when needed. For more information, check out our official blog post on performing a system restore, linked in the description below.